They used ACV as a remedy for fever, snake bites, and digestive problems. The Romans also loved it as it helped in prevention of infections. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about ACV useful properties. ACV contains important amino acids, vitamins C, E, A, B, as well as sodium, phosphorus, copper, iron, and other substances. It contains many useful acids, for example, oxalic, citric, and malic. Acetic acid is the main active component due to which the health benefits of apple cider vinegar are known. ACV can boost metabolism and help in weight loss, strengthen the immune system, improve the condition of the digestive system, stabilize high blood pressure, normalize sugar and cholesterol levels, cleanse the blood vessels and thin the blood, promote overall detoxification, slow down aging, have a choleratic effect, have a positive effect on the condition of the skin, nails, and hair, stabilize the nervous system, improve tone and performance, and relieve irritability, strengthen the cardiovascular system, and reduce the risk of a heart attack and vascular blockage. Just remember that apple cider vinegar should always be diluted with water. It's better not to drink pure liquid as it can cause food poisoning. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and completely safe product that you can use to maintain your health, but the recommended doses should be observed. They